The Office of Neighborhood Involvement is the city bureau that supports public involvement for the city of Portland. We have different programs. One is the community involvement team that serves the neighborhood associations and the district coalitions, as well as our diversity and civic leadership partners. We have our crime prevention program that helps promote awareness among community members around reducing crime and the fear of crime in neighborhoods. We've got the City County Information Referral Line, 823-4000, that provides information to people seeking out services from the city or the county. And we have the Livability Center, which is really our graffiti abatement program, and our liquor license notification program. The Office of Neighborhood Involvement was formed out of the activism of the 60s and 70s and people's desire to have more of a voice in the way that government made decisions. And so in 1974, the city of Portland ensconced the neighborhood office, at that time called the Office of Neighborhood Associations. Well, Portland is comprised of 95 neighborhood associations, and there are 7 district coalitions that provide technical assistance and support to these neighborhood associations. We also have 6 diversity and civic leadership partners that provide capacity building opportunities for communities of color and immigrant and refugee communities to become more civically involved in a more effective way with City Hall. Well, some of the challenges confronting the Office of Neighborhood Involvement and the larger neighborhood system is that there have been dwindling resources over the years, resulting in cutting back of support for the work done at the neighborhood level. And there have been changing demographics in the city of Portland, which has resulted in many people in Portland, especially immigrants and refugees or people of color, perhaps not feeling connected to the system as it was.
Portland.
The 5-year plan to increase community involvement in Portland was a result of a process that was started in 2005 to engage as many Portlanders as possible in a conversation about the neighborhood system and how the neighborhood system and Portland's larger public involvement system could be improved and sort of brought up to date. And through this process, which involved many people in a very large committee of volunteer community members as well as staff, we developed this plan, the strategic plan, which had 3 specific goals. So the 3 goals were to increase the number and diversity of people involved in their communities, to strengthen community capacity, including individual leadership development, community organizational development, and networking between community organizations, and to increase community impact on decision-making through a major focus on creating a government that is more willing and able to partner with the community. And the implementation of this 5-year plan has been a collaborative effort over the last few years between the Office of Neighborhood Involvement, the district coalitions and neighborhood associations, our diversity and civic leadership partners, and our broader community partners. Well, I think we could categorize the successes in 3 major areas. So the first area is building community capacity, and there's two prongs to that. The first prong is actually bringing in new partners to revitalize the system, which has been seen through our diversity and civic leadership collaborations. The second prong of that would be additional resources to help neighborhood associations and district coalitions do a better job of engaging community members in work that benefits their local community, and to help them build partnerships and relationships with our new partners through the Diversity and Civic Leadership Initiative. And finally, we've also implemented some steps to ensure that government has more capacity to open up opportunities for community members to participate in decision making and to more effectively engage with community. Well, what ONI has learned from these efforts has been that it's important to have a strong political champion when implementing these kinds of initiatives, that without that we really don't have the capacity to move forward, that we need to start reaching beyond geographic communities, that while people are connected to the places where they live, there are also communities that are connected across geography, and that we need to be inclusive of that. Also, that a little bit of seed money goes a very long way in the hands of community members towards revitalizing relationship building, and creating projects that are locally meaningful to the people who live in communities. Building relationships is what it's all about, and that through relationship building, then trust gets built, and through trust building, then there are more collaborative opportunities that come up. And then finally, that it takes time, that you must persevere regardless of the obstacles, and that you do make mistakes, and that a lot of times you learn a lot more from the mistakes you make than of the successes that you have. The more people that become involved civically, the stronger our community becomes. So I invite anyone who is watching to please get involved. Call the Office of Neighborhood Involvement at 503-823-4519, and we'll be happy to connect you with opportunities in your community.